Stop. Before you paste that AI-generated code, you need to hear this. The industry is obsessed with vibe coding, using AI to write apps in minutes. The problem? 45% of that code is insecure. AI is optimizing for function, not security. It's writing technically correct code with huge security holes. You built a beautiful structure, but the AI left the backdoor open for a SQL injection attack. You can't outsource accountability. We treat AI code like a junior dev's work. It needs a human sign-off. First, never paste blind. Second, run static analysis tools. Third, write human tests. The rush to market is not worth the million-dollar breach. Speed without security is just negligence. Need a security audit for your AI project? That's what we do. Web design mechanic, secure foundations.